Before buying a mass airflow sensor, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Delphi AF10043. Let's kick things off with the Delphi AF10043 mass airflow sensor. At around $98.78, this product caught my eye because it's known for being a global standard in accuracy. If you want reliable performance and durability, this is worth a serious look. So why is this Delphi sensor a good choice for you? This means you'll get consistent performance whether it's sweltering summer or chilly winter. With over 1,800 reviews and an impressive 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its effectiveness. Plus, Delphi has been making OE sensors for over 30 years, so they know what they're doing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It ensures that your engine gets the right air-fuel mixture, boosting both performance and fuel efficiency. Now, some people complained about the warranty issues when buying through Amazon. Here's the thing though, if you purchase from a reputable seller, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just double-check the seller's details. This is perfect for you if you own a vehicle that needs a reliable and accurate sensor. Skip this one if you're looking for the cheapest option, as you get what you pay for. Overall, it's a solid investment for your engine's performance. Now, if the price of the Delphi sensor gave you pause, the next one might be a more budget-friendly choice. Product number 2, Hitachi MAF31. Next up is the Hitachi MAF31 mass airflow sensor, priced at around $49.49. I was drawn to its reputation as a quality OE replacement, and if you need dependable performance right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. What makes the Hitachi sensor stand out? For starters, it delivers an exact air-to-fuel ratio, which is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's drivability. With a built-in contaminant bypass port, it promises longer life and better reliability. This means fewer engine issues down the line, which is a big win for you. Plus, it boasts a solid 4.2-star rating from 1,200 reviews, indicating that it genuinely helps improve performance. However, some users mentioned that installation can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing, if you're comfortable with DIY projects, it shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable replacement that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a plug-and-play option and aren't up for some light tinkering. It's a great value for the performance it delivers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for compatibility across various models. Product number 3, Advan EX Mass Airflow Sensor. Coming in at just $29.99 is the Advan EX Mass Airflow Sensor. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that doesn't skimp on quality, this one's definitely worth a serious look. The Advan EX sensor has a great fitment range, compatible with multiple GM vehicles from 1999 to 2007. It continuously informs your engine control module how much air is entering, ensuring efficient fuel economy and reduced emissions. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 1,000 reviews, it's clear that customers are happy with its performance. However, some folks have reported issues with the installation instructions being unclear. Now, if you're not the DIY type, this might frustrate you. But if you're comfortable figuring things out, it's not a deal breaker and can save you quite a bit. This is perfect for you if you're looking to stretch your dollar while still keeping your engine running smoothly. Skip this one if you want a high-end option or if you're not willing to troubleshoot during installation. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Next up is a sensor from GM itself, which promises to deliver original factory quality. Product number 4, GM Genuine Parts 21340-222. Next on our list is the GM Genuine Parts 21340-222 Mass Airflow Sensor, priced around $61.99. I was impressed by its reputation for quality and reliability, making it a solid option for anyone wanting OEM standards. If you want to stick with original factory specs, this is worth a serious look. It accurately measures the air entering your engine, allowing the engine control module to inject the right amount of fuel. This ensures optimal performance and fuel efficiency. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,100 reviews, many users appreciate the peace of mind it brings knowing they are using a genuine part. However, some buyers mentioned they received defective units. Here's the thing that can happen with any product, but GM generally has good customer service to help resolve issues if they arise. This is perfect for you if you want an OEM replacement that guarantees fit and function. Skip this one if you want to save money since there are cheaper options out there. But honestly, it's worth the price for the reliability it offers. Now, if you're looking for an even more affordable option that still delivers, the next sensor might be just what you need. Product number 5, 8 Premium Mass Airflow Sensor. Finally, let's talk about the 8 Premium Mass Airflow Sensor, which you can grab for around $22.99. If you're on a tight budget and need compatibility across various Nissan and Infiniti models, this one's definitely worth a serious look. This sensor boasts a wide range of vehicle fitments, including popular models from Nissan and Infiniti. With a solid 4.1-star rating from 744 reviews, it's evident that this budget-friendly option doesn't compromise on quality. Now, some users have pointed out that it's made from cheaper materials, which could affect long-term durability. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a quick fix to keep your car running without spending too much, this sensor does the job just fine for most everyday drivers. This is perfect for you if you're trying to save money while ensuring your car runs well. Skip this one if you want a high-end product that will last longer. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that wraps up the reviews. If you're still unsure, let's quickly compare these 5 sensors. To sum it up, the Delphi AF10043 is a premium option for accuracy, while the Hitachi MAF31 offers excellent performance at a mid-range price. The Advan EX is a great budget-friendly choice for those with compatible vehicles, and the GM Genuine Parts sensor ensures OEM quality. Finally, the 8 Premium sensor provides an affordable fix for everyday drivers. Choose based on your needs and your engine will thank you.